Hi my loves, this is Chandni and welcome back to my channel. I hope you girls are doing great. So today's video is a total college bag guide video. So the college university season is here and I'm pretty sure girls must be wondering what to pack and what to carry inside their college bags. Obviously when you go to college, your outfits have to be perfect. I'm pretty sure everyone's wondering what to wear and how to do all of that. But one thing that really helps you throughout the day is your college bag. So in this video, I'm going to help you with that. And I'm also going to share my personal college favorites that I keep inside my bag. And here's a twist, everything in this video is pink because I love pink. It's my aesthetic, it's my happy color. So it really helps me to keep my mood happy. So that is what you're going to find inside my bag today. So if you guys are wondering what to keep inside your college bag, continue watching. And obviously you'll be carrying your AirPods, your wallet, your laptop, your stationery, books and all of that stuff. So if you guys are wondering what to keep inside your college bag apart from all of that stuff, then let's get into the video. And before getting into the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And now let's get into the video. So the first thing that I've got for my college bag is this really pretty laptop sleeve from H&M, and that's how it looks. So I was looking for a really pretty laptop sleeve since so long, but I couldn't find anything that matches my aesthetic. I mean, that is my aesthetic, everything pink and pops of gold, and I couldn't find anything pretty until I came across this one on H&M's website. And it is so pretty, you guys. I love how pretty it looks. I love the fur, I love the color. It reminds me of Barbie for some reason. I also like the gold detailing over here. The golden zip looks so pretty. And I absolutely love how stunning it actually looks. That is how it looks from the inside. I think it will really keep your laptop safe. I just love the color and I love the fur. I love the detailing. I love everything about this laptop sleeve. It's so cute. It's so me. And I had to purchase this one for college. So one thing that I've noticed in college is that a lot of people don't carry laptop sleeves, but trust me guys, it is really important to keep your laptop safe from all those scratches, and you should definitely get a laptop sleeve for your laptop. So I got this one from H&M, and that is the first thing that is going inside my college bag. So my next favorite essential for college is a zipper, and for this year I got this one from Starbucks, and that is how it looks. I just love how pretty and feminine it actually looks. Oh my god, it looks so pretty guys. So this one's from their cherry blossom collection, and that is how it looks. It has a cherry blossom tree over here and a really pretty castle over here. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I think a zipper for me is very important because it keeps me hydrated throughout the day, and I really need something refreshing all the time, and I personally always need a zipper to help me go through such heavy lectures. So I got this one for this year, and that is how it looks. It's gonna save me from all those heavy lectures, and I'm super excited to carry my favorite drinks inside this one. So yeah, that's the next thing going inside my college bag. So the next thing is something that I highly recommend for college, which is a journal or a diary. And I've got this one. I think I've got this one from a store called Kaja, if I'm not wrong. I got it from some Korean store. It's called Kaja, if I'm not wrong. But that is how it looks. It says find joy in the ordinary. It has shades of pink and other pastel colors. And I really like how cute it actually looks. I think in college you have so many deadlines and so many assignments, so you definitely need a diary or a journal to keep a track of all those assignments and deadlines and your other daily tasks. This way you will be super organized and you will have a track of all those assignments and deadlines. And yeah, I think it's gonna make your work easier in college. So I highly recommend a journal or a diary. So that's what's going inside my college bag. Last but not the least is an essential bag. I think an essential bag is something that every girl should definitely carry inside her bag. This essential bag is literally my savior. So I highly recommend this one to you girls. And now I'm going to show you what's inside my essential bag so that you guys can also make one. So I got this essential bag recently from Kiko Milano. I absolutely love how cute it is. It's transparent, which makes it easier for me to see what's inside. And yeah, I really like the color. I like the size and the shape. I like everything about it. So I had actually gone to Kiko to buy some products, but then I ended up buying this one for my college bag. And I'm really happy with the purchase. And now I'm going to show you what's inside my essential bag. So the first thing inside my essential bag is this sanitary napkin. You never know when there's an emergency. So the next thing inside this essential bag is a hairbrush, a mini hairbrush, and it's in the color baby pink. So I think it's really important to keep your hair neat all the time. Whenever you have time, you can just go to the restroom, fix your hair and have a very neat girl look. I think when you look your best, you feel your best and you're gonna perform your best. So I think that's really important to keep your hair neat all the time and have a really pretty neat girl look. The next thing inside this essential bag are these tissues. I need tissues all the time. And the next thing inside this essential bag is a hand cream, and I absolutely love this hand cream from Bath & Body Works. It keeps my hands super soft, and this is in the flavor vanilla buttercream. It literally smells like a cookie and it smells so good. It just uplifts my mood. Then I have this mini sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. It's in the flavor coconut. I think in college you will be needing sanitizer all the time, so I have one mini one. Then I also have a hair tie. That's how it looks. I think every girl should definitely keep a lip product inside their essential bag, and I personally love to keep my lips moisturized and really pretty all the time. It also gives a very neat and clean girl look, so I always keep a lip product, and this one's from Becca Cosmetics. Also, I forgot to mention, but I also always keep a small mist or a perfume inside my essential bag. And for college, this time I'll be adding this one from Victoria's Secret Pink, and it's in the flavor soft and dreamy. I personally feel that it is so important to always smell good, so you should definitely keep a mini mist or a perfume inside your essential bag so that you're always smelling good in college. And yeah, that was everything inside my essential bag, and that was everything that I'm gonna add in my college bag for now. Obviously later on I'll be adding more stuff like my AirPods, my laptop and all of that, but for now this is everything that I wanted to show in this video. So I've added everything pink in this video because pink is literally my favorite color, and I also love giving a personal touch to everything that I like and everything that I'm carrying, and I think it really reflects my personality. So yeah, that was everything that was inside my college bag, you guys. I hope this video helps you out and you can figure out what to keep inside your college bag as well. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and all the best for college you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.